My name is Lee Jost. I'm a pastor in the community. I pastor Christ the Servant Church, and I'm also the executive director of a nonprofit called Cultivate Inc. We work with families and men and women emerging from incarceration. The goal of Cultivate Inc. is to provide training and support for men and women and juveniles who are currently under the care of corrections in Johnson County, Kansas. And so what we do is before they actually leave the residential center and come back into the community, we provide a 12-week life skills course and also access to half a dozen or more different certifications that will help them to get good, well-paying jobs in the community.
The purpose of this program is to give these people a skill that they can go out in the community and earn a decent living instead of working in a fast food restaurant and struggling with that.
The one thing I want people to know about our graduates is they're our neighbors. Over 60% of those who are releasing from the residential center release to Johnson County. And I've met them. They release from everywhere to the Havencroft neighborhood that I live in, to parts of Olathe, Overland Park, Shawnee. They release to our community. One of the things that we have an opportunity to do is invest in our neighbors. And these are folks that when they release, not only live next to us, they work next to us, they're eating in the restaurants next to us. And the greatest opportunity for us is to invest in these folks and make them a stable and productive part of our neighborhoods.